for Vancouver Airport parking.
So easy peasy. As you can see, there is the train station. You get out of there and you turn right and you go that way and you just keep going. And I'll let you know when you gotta turn a corner to the cruise ship. There's a lot of people coming this way from the cruise ship as we're heading there. So from the train station, you'll walk to here. You'll see the food court right over there. You'll turn that way and walk that way to go towards your cruise ship. Right now, I think we're gonna go this way to the food court and get some breakfast. So you come down, go through those doors, come down these stairs. Unfortunately, it's stairs down, escalator up, and you head this way to the food court. And then from the food court, I'll show you how to get to the cruise ship. You don't go back that way, or you don't have to anyway. But as you can see, the chairs and that up there, that's the food court area. I'll take some pictures when we get there. We're sitting here at McDonald's, right over there, eating our food. This is our view. So from McDonald's there, you're gonna carry on down this hallway here. And the stairs right up there, we're gonna go up those stairs and down the hallway. So here we're at the stairs. The washrooms, the ladies is right that way, and the guys are right here if you need washrooms. And now we're going down the hallway. Sorry for being so fast there. And down this hallway, they have different signs that talks about waterfront. So if you have a lot of time, you can stop and read the signs, take your time, enjoy it. And then we have an escalator here that we go up, and actually you're going almost right into the hotel. So as you get to the top of the escalator, you're just going to turn left and you'll see the doors to go outside. Here we go. This takes you right into the Pan Pacific Hotel. So if you're staying at the hotel, go down the steps, cheap area to eat if you need. Cheap at the moment. Those escalators just up ahead take you on to the hotel. And like I said, you turn left and there's the doors. So usually we go out these doors. We could go out those ones, but you gotta head that way. We're gonna go out these ones to give you more of a view. It might get noisy. And this is your view. Now, the road that you would have came down is that one right there. Right where you see the red van. you would have came down that road and come across the street, the parkade that goes downstairs, and then for check-in, you would walk up. This is where Mike has already went. We're gonna go over here and probably find a place to sit and enjoy the view of Vancouver. Oh, there's Mike. So for Princess to check in, you head down that way and you'll see, keep going, it's quite a ways down, you'll see a sign. Princess, the boat, is actually parked on the other side, on that side. So we've walked a ways down, as you can see. You see the sign way down there. We've walked a ways down, and as you walk, they have little words like we just passed Alberta, we're coming up to Quebec, and then it'll have the names of the towns. But as you can see, it says, he's in the way, Princess Passengers, right there. And here we're gonna go in. As you see, she's pointing us in to go check in. So as you can see, check-in's right here. You can see the line. Here we go. So we're gonna go, and then we just go turn the corner right at that side, and you'll be at check-in. The first thing that you can do is check any bags that you want to give them to take to the ship for you. We're not gonna check any bags this time. We're just gonna take them to our room. And here you go. They got Viking and Princess. So we're going down the Princess Lane, and as you see right up there is your baggage drop off. We're just gonna bypass them. So we're already through. We walked in, got our medallions. There was really nobody there. There was a bunch of people wanting us to go to their spot. And it's about 9:45 right now. They said that immigration opens at 10:30 to go through security and go through US Customs. So we're gonna sit outside and enjoy the view and maybe watch some of those planes take off. There's the gas station. I'm charging my phone. There you go. Go step on the ship. And we're cruising. Yay!